Can you guess the country just by its flag symbols? See how many you get right. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more brain-boosting fun. This symbol is on which country's flag? That's right, it's India. Spot the country with this symbol. You nailed it! It's USA. Which nation's flag shows this symbol? Yes, that's the flag of Canada. Can you name the flag with this symbol? Correct. It's the United Kingdom. Which country uses this symbol? That's Australia's flag. Identify the country by this symbol. You got it. It's Germany. Where's this symbol from on a flag? That beautiful flag belongs to France. Which country's flag includes this symbol? Well done, it's Japan. This emblem is part of which flag? That's the flag of Brazil. Nicely done. Where's this symbol from on a flag? You're spot on. It's South Africa. Spot the country with this symbol. The correct answer is China. Which country's flag features this? That's Russia's national flag. Guess the country by this flag symbol. You guessed it, it's Italy. Name the country with this flag symbol. Yes, indeed. This one's from Mexico. Which nation's flag displays this? It's South Korea. Great job. Which flag has this emblem? That flag belongs to Spain. Can you find the country with this symbol? Drum roll. It's Argentina. This symbol belongs to which flag? You nailed it. That's Egypt. Which flag carries this symbol? Correct! That's the flag of Sweden. Which country flies this symbol? That tricolour belongs to Netherlands. How many did you get right? Comment your score below. One lucky winner gets a shout-out in our next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your smarty friends.